In this video, I would like to introduce you to the Jovikids ARIA infant carrier car seat. This car seat is suitable from birth up to 13 kilos or 87 centimeters, which is actually about 2 years old. For the video, I have fitted the ARIA car seat onto the Jovikids AYLA pushchair. If you would like to know more about the pushchair, there is a separate video which I will put a link to in the description below. But for now, let's have a look at the car seat. I'm just going to fold the carry handle out of the way to show you that it's got a 3-point harness that's adjusted by pressing this button, so you can lengthen it and you pull the strap to tighten it. It also has an insert for newborns, which is removed at 75 centimeters, and that is about a year old. I'm just going to pop the buckle pad back on. So this is now quite deep. This seat has an adjustable lie-back position. So what you can do is pull this strap and you can see the bottom of the seat come up. I've now popped the newborn insert back in just to show you get a really nice lie-flat position in this car seat when you pull this strap to raise the bottom. I'm going to take it all off again just to show you what the mechanism actually looks like on the inside. Now, this part of the seat liner and the headrest are permanently attached to the car seat. They're not removable, but I am just going to lift this up just to show you what happens inside the car seat when you press this button here, and you can then push the bottom down, and you can see how deep the seat becomes. So when you then put this fabric covers back down, it's a lot deeper than when you raise the bottom up. So that's a very clever, very simple little mechanism to make a newborn baby lie flatter. I would like to say that it is better to avoid lying the baby flat in the car seat as much as possible and only really use this recline feature on the pushchair, because it's always safer and better for the neck to be a bit more upright in the car. This car seat has very nice soft fabric covers and a nicely padded insert, as well as a big canopy that can be pulled down all the way over the baby to keep the sun off, which is especially useful obviously when you're going outside and pushing it on the pushchair. So I'm now taking it off the pushchair and I'm going to take it out to my car to show you how to install it with the seatbelt. So you place the car seat in the car with the backrest at a 45-degree angle. Just fold the carry handle out of the way for a minute just by pressing those buttons down there, because it makes it easier to reach the seatbelt buckle. You then pull out the seatbelt and hook the lap belt under this hook on the side of the car seat. You then take the belt across to the other side of the car seat, pass it under the hook on the side of the seat and buckle it in. You then need to take the diagonal belt, wrap it around the back of the car seat whilst pushing it into the back of the car with your knee. You don't have to do that, but I prefer to because it makes it really nice and tight. And then pass the belt through the green hook on the back of the seat. And then you just need to pull the last bit of slack out of the seatbelt. And I like to do that by putting one hand here and with the other hand pulling the belt whilst pushing the seat back. So you go like this and it takes out all the slack from all around the seatbelt to make it really nice and secure. And then the last step is the carry handle, which always has to be in its most upright position. A correctly installed infant carrier looks like this from this side, with the diagonal belt wrapped around the back. And from the other side of the car, it looks like this. So the lap belt comes over the seat, through the green hook, into the buckle, and then wrapped around the back. So that's how you install the Jovikids ARIA car seat. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to buy one of these, you will find a link in the description. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. See you soon.